What's up? It's Dan, the Prelude dude. Welcome back to the parts, guys. It's only me today, and I'm messing with the deadlude. And you know what? It's nice and wet again, so that means misfires. So we're checking that out. I got a set of plugs. We're gonna pull off the cap and rotor, and we're gonna just see what's causing it this time. Alright, so got the new plugs in. There's the old ones. You know, they don't look too bad. But I've now popped the cap off. I just pulled the intake out just because it's easier to get at that bottom screw down there with it out. So yeah, let's look at it. You got some nice buildup of some white corrosion in there. And you can actually tell on camera there's moisture right back here. This is moisture. Yay! So that means the seal is not doing its job, so I'm going to replace the cap and the rotor and the seal. And this time, for the seal, I'm going to take some Vaseline or some sort of wax, and I'm going to rub it all along the seal to act as another water barrier. And then, hopefully, this won't happen again in another 6 months. So another problem with the seal not doing its job is it causes, let's pull that out of the way, the shaft to corrode like crazy. Just taking the rotor off, I nearly pulled the collar out of the rotor, just trying to get it out of there. Look at that. Alright, so now I've cleaned up the shaft there. You can see it looks a lot better than it did. Still got a little bit of corrosion on it. I'm not that worried. I just want to make sure the collar goes in and out, no problem. And I just used one of these scuff pads to do it. I've now taken the new seal, and you can see there's like globs of what looks like grease. And that is actually just a little bit of Vaseline. I've taken that and I've smeared it around just to act as like another little water barrier. I'm going to stuff this now on the distributor housing there. And then I'm probably going to take even more grease and just do another little layer around just to ensure that it's going to work. So I'm going to do that and put the rotor on and get the new cap on, and we'll fire it up and see where we're at. Alright. Well, I must have got the firing order right. Alright, so you heard it. It's not misfiring no more. You know, all said and done, we did the spark plugs and the cap and rotor. But this time, to ensure that it doesn't just do this again in 6 months, I put a little bit of Vaseline around the seal so that hopefully it helps shear some more water away from the actual inside of the cap. So, yeah. Guess we're all done. Got nothing else to do. No, I'm just kidding. What's a deadlude video without like a burnout or two in it? So I'm gonna take it out now, and we're gonna actually see how she's performing. Yeah. Woo. Apparently there's an ice storm coming, but we don't see it yet. But it's definitely very cold. But at any rate, I ran into Jacob. He's right over there. So we gotta. You hear him. You hear him. Whatever, man. You don't even want me to do it. Anyways, so I ran into him. So testing out the new spark plugs and new cap and rotor turned into racing with this guy. So yeah, enjoy. He ain't got nothing on this. Just a little bit. That's just a little bit. I see it again. Alright, I gave Jacob a car link. Let's see what it does for him this time. Brakes just warped all the hell. Holy crap. Holy crap. You feel that shake? Holy crap. That's a rough shake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, hot brakes. Hot brakes. It's about that time. It's time to get out of here. Been too reckless. Time to go before someone gets notified. I'm Dan, better known as the Fail. As always, Jacob. You know, we had some fun. We made a little run, and now I warped my brakes all to hell. So we'll see you next time, where I'm probably gonna do a brake job.